Hello, everyone. I'm Faddrick, CEO of Nexo Mine, and I have some exciting global updates to share with you. Across the world, our top leaders are actively hosting meetings, connecting communities, and expanding the vision. From city to city, country to country, Nexo Mine is becoming a powerful name in digital farming. Every single day, new IDs are being activated worldwide, showing unstoppable global interest. Our community is growing stronger, smarter, and more united with each passing day. This level of momentum is not common. It reflects trust, belief, and long-term commitment. We are building something global, something sustainable, something that continues to grow every day. This is Nexo Mine, where leaders unite, growth accelerates, and the future is created.